Hey everyone, so today we're talking about hairspray and I want to make a quick update to my hairspray. So let's go a little journey back into time. You may be familiar with this super large can of hairspray, which was my locked hairspray. It came with a TikTok or hairstyle kit, or you can buy it on its own. This definitely was different than the original, which was more that matte kind of powdery spray. So I had updated to this one. So I decided, and based off of some feedback, people liked the original better. It wasn't even possible to have it made. Finally, I was able to have it made again. So we've gone back to the original OG locked hairspray, which I came out with years and years ago. So you can see more that powder. You may recognize this, that powdery spray, like a dry shampoo with hold. The reason I had come out with a stronger one was because I felt like it didn't have enough hold. However, people still liked the matte finish of this original one. So this is available with a TikTok or hairstyle kit, and this is what's being sold now. However, I did get some feedback and people saying, Salon Guy, what about the other locked that they never seen or use this one, newer customers? So I decided to, this is kind of cool, invest in making a limited run of what I'm calling Locked XL. Let's get this stupid mannequin out here. So Locked XL. All right, Locked XL is basically a smaller version of this. So you can see the size comparison. Much smaller can. This is 2.5 ounces right here. These are actually very costly to make, to be honest with you. So this is the one that you may have used before if you liked the more hold. It's got more of a natural shine to it. It's definitely not a matte kind of powdery spray. So these are available on my website, shop.thesalonguy.com. You can see right there, Locked XL. There it is. I think it looks kind of cool. So it's great for traveling. You don't need a whole lot of it, so it will last a good amount. But if you do want to purchase this and you like the stronger hold, it is available right here, okay? So how to use hairspray, it really depends on you. Now, I've always been an aerosol guy. I've noticed that the pump ones, like the liquid sprays, say you had like a hairspray that came in something like a bottle like this, and it was more liquid, so you spray it on. I've noticed that those tend to really get sticky and dry the hair very dramatically because it's mostly water, and a lot of it is just sitting on the hair and getting very sticky, and and then people blow dry it and they fry the hair. And I've always noticed that people who have very dry hair, especially with my female clientele over the years, I've seen the damage because they'll sit there with the brush, they'll spray the hairspray on, the liquid hairspray, and just singe that spray into the hair, and it's literally destroying the hair, especially on blondes. So depending on the type of hairspray you're using, yes, hairspray can come in handy.